5 steps to create this animation from this cube. Add a cube and go to Geometry node. Create new Geometry node. Step 1. Create big spheres. Add instance on points node. Then add an icosphere as instance. Adjust radius and subdivision to 4. Add set shade smooth node to shade smooth. Then a join geometry node for later. Step 2. Create small spheres. Duplicate these 2 nodes and connect as before. Reduce the radius, go to X-ray mode. Now we can see the smaller spheres. Adjust radius. Select these and press H to hide them for more space. Step 3. Create big pipes. Add a mesh to curve node. Connect from group input to join geometry. It changes the cube to curve. You can see it here. Then add curve to mesh node and curve circle as profile curve. Reduce the radius of the profile curve like 0.8. Step 4. Create small pipes. Duplicate these nodes as before. Connect as same. In X-ray mode, reduce the radius to 0.02. Set materials. Add a set material node. Connect before join geometry. Duplicate for all 4. The materials you have created will show up here. You have to select them. Press Shift right-click to create endpoints. Now press Ctrl right-click to cut them. Now we can join each one at a time. It will help for spheres or pipes those are inside. Let's join the small sphere node. Create a material, name it steel. Select it from here. Now join the small pipe. Let's duplicate the steel material. Name it copper, change color to orange. As same, create glass materials for the bigger spheres and pipes, so that we can see what is inside. You can also add colorful glass. Do whatever you want.